Dorothy Lane has always wanted to make the best artisan bread possible, and the way to do that is the hardest way. Artisan bread is bread that is made in traditional methods, all natural ingredients, total scratch, long fermentation. It takes a lot of skill to get that done.
So we start early. We start between 4 and 5 in the morning with our first process, what we call our mixing step. We combines the flour, the water, any pre-ferments and any additional ingredients, and actually assembles the doughs. And it goes into bulk fermentation. And as the dough bulk ferments and we feel it and pay attention to it, we make decisions on whether it needs to be folded, when it needs to be processed, and the guys on the bench take care of that. Let it rest for another 30-40 minutes, pull it back off, and then give it the final shape where it'll then rest until the bakers pull it out to bake that night.
We started out with making 6 different varieties of breads, and now we make almost 30 different varieties of bread. You can count on that our bread was mixed and shaped yesterday. Our customers can be reassured that their bread was just baked that night, every day.